So good morning guys, we are here at the snout of we are proceeding toward the snout of this Machoi glacier. So we are here at this Machoi base camp and somewhere around like 500 meter from that Machoi base camp, and from here you can see behind me we will proceed from here that way. My friends are just waiting over there, and I have put some gears in my this bag and few instruments in cords and in locks. Yeah, people are getting ready to have their instruments with them. Yeah, see this terrestrial laser scanner and a lot of other stuff as well. So you can see over there. Uh, from here you can see this Machoi. This is going to be the snout of this Machoi glacier. Let me show you how the elevation is going to be over here. Yeah, so let me show you. This is the 3423 meter elevation is at present over here, and you can see the friends are waiting. Yeah, and time is around like 10:06 in the morning, and date let me guess, it's Friday 13 of this September 2024, and we will be proceeding from here toward that site, and let's see. Yeah, so this is it for today, and I will be making some more videos, and we'll be clipping up together and making. You can see the rough terrain over there. You can see, I don't know if you will be able to see it clearly, but you can see the rough terrain. Yeah, see how beautiful it is. There is no vegetation, but yeah, little of vegetation over here, and yeah, you can see friends are waiting, and maybe in 5 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes, when the instruments will be ready, we will be heading toward that Machoi glacier, and so I will keep myself updated. Channel देखते रहिए. I will be uploading videos for this expedition. Yeah, so let me show a close look for the instruments. Sir, what this sensor is about? This is
एमएस-1 यत्के ना
कौन सा सेंसर है सर? ये
कहाँ पे
ये क्या चीज है?
ये ह्यूक्स ड्रिल है इसे
Oh yeah. This is this is Hughes drill, and
ये मास स्टेकिंग के लिए
yeah, this drill will be used for this mass balance studies, and the stakes will be put inside that. The hole will be, so this drill will be used to drill a hole in the glacier, and the stakes will be put over there, and it will be very helpful in understanding the glacier dynamics. The thickness of the glacier will be evaluated using this drill, and yeah, you can see so enjoy this serene beauty. There is no vegetation, but still it's pretty much enjoying. Okay. तो गाइस, हमें वहां जाना है, और हम कहां से आए हैं? बाहर नीचे से. तो तो थक गए हैं काफी. 2 times we have rested ourselves, and ये देखो सोइनटन कैसा चल रहा है?
It's fine, it's a good weather.
हाँ, Yeah, you can see, you know, I don't know if you have spot them up, but yeah, हमारे हैं हाँ मिक
ये होता है इनका रूटीन में,
ट्रेनिंग या सर्विलेंस
रूटीन में होता है।
या सी और ये देखो मेरी हालत yeah we have some porters and they are taking some instruments up that up to the ablation zone. We will go to the accumulation zone. Yeah so
Try to reach there.
yeah so how much distance we will be covering that glacier from Snowed to this ablation zone?
Ablation,
Like 2 kilometers around.
yeah,
Huh? So कितना
it would be 2.5.
ओके तो गाइस अब हम स्लोली चल रहे हैं। देखिए हमारी हालत दर बदर हालत थोड़ी हो गई है ख़राब। मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि हालत ख़राब है बट ये है आप दो देख रहे हैं स्नोट हाँ प्रोबेबली दिस बी रोज़ा मैम व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट विल बी स्नोट? Yeah, so from Snowed we will be going up towards that accumulation zone of this glacier, which will be around like 2 to 3 kilometers. Yeah, and sorry, my voice is not that much perfect for now because I'm getting my heart rate up and yeah. I had my this hiking feature turned on. Hello sir. So brethren, एक भैया हमारे जे स्टीम ड्रिल लेके जा रहे हैं हाँ तो अंकल जी भी जा रहे हैं साथ तो दिस इज़ इट। एक और छोटी क्लिप ऊपर जाके रेस्ट करने के बाद। Guys, heart rate is 172 bpm. So we have reached up to 162 meter elevation, and yeah. So from there we came, और यहाँ पे like हमारे पास हो गए हैं 35 minutes. As you can clearly see, yeah, few of my friends are here. और यहाँ पे ये देखिए मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ यहाँ पे see in mountains when in travel or lost next to God remember HAWS TRG team HAWS so यहाँ की टीम हमें बोल रही है कभी भी आप खो जाए तो so you can see that snow up there हाँ हमें वहाँ पहुँचना है और ये हाँ थक गए so हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा रेस्ट करेंगे। Yeah, the expedition is going to be pretty much amazing. Yeah. No, not without the consent of some. So guys, as you can see, my heart rate is around 136 bpm and I have elevated around 270 meter yeah and time कोई around हो गया है 71 minutes and from there I don't know no अभी वो road the road is not visible and from there we came here and few of my friends I don't know if you will be able to see them but let me make yeah in the frame you can have a glimpse of them yeah यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पानी है this is also the glacier melt coming up from that Mochoi glacier and yeah आपको बताऊं कि मुझे ना थोड़ा ऐसे जो नाक में थोड़ी मतलब कि sensitivity सी हो रही थी and you know I was sensing a little of that pressure difference so थोड़ा हो रहा था but yeah right now I am feeling okay like my body has you know kind of adjusted uh, itself according to this terrain and this climate and these conditions. And yeah, I don't know if you will be able to see it clearly or not, because the lens is having, you know, some dust particles. But yeah, everywhere you can see these moraines, some terminal moraines, some medial moraines. Yeah, and we also can have this high altitude warfare school training is going for this 3-month rigorous training, and the candidates are trained for these harsh conditions, and slowly this is, I guess, the second phase for them. Before that so they are asking me to come back. I don't know where we will be proceeding to, but they are asking me to come back, so मुझे वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा. See, so here I will be having some rest over here. Yeah, like this. See. Yeah.
नाम तो क्वालिफिकेशन डीओबी क्या लिखी बस नमक मैंने नहीं चोरी की है मेरे भाई और बहन को हुआ है हल्दी बदल
Okay, you can have a look at the statistics from my this, and yeah, but I have with me some these dry fruits, and yeah, some fruits, and yeah, this is going to be my personal diary, and I will be writing up whatever I am feeling right now, or I will be writing up my experiences in this diary, and yeah, you can have a look. Yeah. So here are a few of my friends are sitting over here. वो कुछ वहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, and yes, here is me, you can see. और वहाँ पे पानी बह रहा है. बस small clips will be joined together to make a pure and perfect vlog. First time Kashmir. Yeah, first time to Kashmir, and first time to glacier expedition as well.
Please have one more dig.
Yeah.
Chalo.
So guys, I don't know if you will be able to guess or not, but I think the snout portion of this glacier has almost started, and yes, you can see the debris cover over here. Everywhere is debris, but यहाँ system ये है कि you can see the this is the, you know, bare ice. You can see. Have a look at this. Okay. So this is the bare ice, very hard ice, and you can have a look at that. यहाँ पे स्लो चलना है इसमें, मतलब कि लाइक up to 5 centimeter यहाँ पे debris cover है, and below that hard ice है, and see people over there, and this is very unstable part है, and yes, from there you can see the snow portion has started, and it is covered with debris covered ice zone DCIZ, and up there you might be able to see that bare ice zone, and maybe if possible you can have a look at that accumulation zone as well, अगर आप वहाँ पे पहुँच पाए तो. So this is it for now. मैंने आपको आइस दिखा दी, because beneath this is this is hard ice. Yeah, you can see the ice. Yeah, and there you can see the glacier melt, और इसके नीचे बिल्कुल that bare ice है. See. Have a close look at this bare ice. This is the portion you can see cover. The ice is covered with this debris particle. Yeah, fragments of this. But you can see the ice. Yeah. See the ice fragment. Yeah, this is very hard ice. Yeah, and this is glacier melt, and yeah, here we have this resort, and you can see the very clear this ice over here, and you know the snow and pretty deep over there. Yeah, see. Guys, we are up here. This glacier melt is coming up there, और यहाँ पे you can visibly see the very bare ice covered with this debris cover, and yeah, see the glacier melt is coming. You can see clearly or not, but yeah, have a look at this ice. Yeah. Yeah, this is Snowt. So guys, we are have with us the Hucus drill, so which will be very helpful in drilling the hole and in the snow position where you can have that snow and bare ice. Okay, so here is a little demonstration how this drill will work. So we are putting some water so that it can be generated as steam. Yeah, so have with us Mr. Miraji. Yeah, he's retired from this demonstration sort of things, that you can have this Hucus drill. So we have with our lovely MiG-26 jets are going over there. We have ourselves with our team sitting over here. You can have, yeah, enjoying and having rest. Yeah, this is probably the snout position of this glacier. You can clearly see the visible ice portion, and yes, so they are just trying to so guys, what we have found here is a very big crevasse, and this is almost I don't know, maybe 200 to 300 meter long crevasse. I don't know how much the depth is over here, but you know, this is quite risky, and I am right now here at this. I don't know, you will be able to have a glimpse of me, but yeah, you can see I am standing on this the very hard ice and a little of this crevasse zone as well. And see, if you want to have a glimpse of this, you can see this is bare ice. This is ice, and yeah, I don't know if you will be able to see this clear. See, we have this ice and a little of this debris cover, and yeah, I have had my I have my these gloves as well. And friends, down there you can see the downslope are coming, and yes, it's quite risky as well, because a lot of stability and concentration is needed to have back on this bare ice, because it is quite slippery. So you can see this is quite slippery. So what we need to do is we have to make a firm grip on this ice with this wedging stick. And yes, we have see, we have almost climbed up from there, and yeah, we have had our that base and we have almost spent around 2 to 3 hours, I guess 2-3 hours, and we have made a hole using that Hughes drill, and put some stakes in that, like around 3-4 meters hole we have kept down there. And yes, a few of friends are up there, and this is almost, we are just exploring this is the sloped portion of this glacier, and have a lot of cracks over there developed, and it is resulted into a huge lot of these crevasses. I don't know if you will be able to see this, but yeah, have a look. I don't know, maybe we will be witnessing a lot of this these crevasses and a lot of more these geomorphological features. You can see the end moraines and these terminal moraines. These a lot of debris cover over is happening over here, and aaj tak so wait, let me turn around this camera. Yeah, so far we have almost found these zones on this remote sensing, this by using different techniques, but today I am witnessing these features and these zones in real time. Yes, and will be uploading with you guys a lot of other stuff as well. I don't know if you will be able to see this. Okay, look what my batch is saying. I don't know if you will be see it clearly or not. Time has almost around 4 hours we have since we have started that trek to this glacier, and yeah, you can see so we have over here a quite deep trench, and this is going to be quite risky. So I am not going back that way, but we have to take another way. So I will be proceeding toward that side. Yeah, that is going to be okay, but we can't take a risk. And yes, guys, you can have a look at this Vertical Limit movie as well. So I'm quite referring to you, and a few of more movies I will be letting you know the real time things happening in the glacier expeditions. You can have a movie. Guys, I don't know if you will be witnessing this clean this ice. Yeah, a little of debris cover remains over here, and you can see the clean high albedos coming up from this side. And yeah, she has reached over here, and I have witnessed huge deep crevasses over here, and I have jumped few. I have jumped a few. So the whole of the water, I can say, is, you know, this water is going toward that deep crevasse. Let me show you. Yeah, the water. Oh, you can see, you can witness that crevasse over there as well. And this is the, you can see, this is the, I don't know if you will see my stick as well, but this portion is, you know, that crevasse started from there, and it is starting from this crack toward that place. Yeah, see, the most energetic person of the expedition. Yeah, few of my friends, and he has got those stakes over here. Yes, sir. Yeah, so you can see the ice is so clean. This way. So the guide has asked us to travel this way. Yeah. The ice, you can witness this. Have a look at this. Good enough.
आ जाओ.
We have arrived up to this elevation, and I think it is we haven't arrived at this snow line as yet, but yeah, it's quite cool, and the terrain is so harsh, but we have enjoyed so much. And see, the water is rushing down there. Water has been melted so much, and you know, albedo is very much high. I have bought this protected UV sunlight glasses, and yeah, I'm here right now. I have found some rock, this rock stone, and I'm sitting on that. And yes, पता नहीं मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ, but still I don't know what my watch is saying, but yeah, ting ting ting, what it is saying. And see, up there the clouds are, you know, saying hello to this ridges, these steep ridges. You can see the, and a few friends are going down, and yeah, this is it. But you can see the stations over here, how the sea is looking. You can have a look. Wait, let me show you how it is. You can take a close look over here. See this temperature, the temperature variation with these rocks and this ice. The rocks can get easily hot, and that can go down, and keeping the ice melt down there, and trying to make perforations on these rocks. You can see these are some perforations, temperature variations, and yes, this is it. See the perforations of this glacier.
सामने देखिए, अच्छा आ रहा है। उधर देखिए,